What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BDO credit card payment. Pag-uusapan natin guys, bakit nga ba hindi pa rin nag-reflect yung binayad ninyo sa BDO credit card ninyo? Pag-uusapan natin guys, bakit ang tagal? At saka kung ano yung dapat nyo gawin guys, kung hindi talaga pumasok yung BDO credit card payment ninyo within certain period of time. Kasi meron lang siyang ilang days bago dapat nandun na siya, nag-reflect na. Ngayon, pagkalipas ng ilang araw na yon, kung wala pa rin, ano yung dapat nyo gawin para ma-verify ninyo yung payment ninyo sa BDO credit card ninyo para hindi kayo nag-aalala. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience with mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, ito nandito yung kumbaga example nung nagbayad kayo ng BDO credit card ninyo. As you can see, bill paid 7,409.27 PHP, which is yun yung total bill ng BDO credit card na yon. Then as you can see, the BDO credit card pays a payment, then yung klase ng credit card, it is MasterCard. Then kung kailan kayo nagbayad, created on, so tapos may reference number. So itong reference number guys, kailangan yung itago. Para if ever na mag-follow up kayo about verification, your payment sa credit card, ito yung sasabihin ninyo sa BDO customer service. Then as you can see, ito yung Shopmore MasterCard niya. Yung outstanding balance is as you can see, hindi pa naman talaga nag-replenish. Hindi pa bumalik yung balance niya. Kaya nagtataka siya, bakit hindi pa pumasok yung payment. Your BDO credit card payment typically reflects within 1 to 3 banking days. Through the processing times depend on when and how you paid. So, isa-isahin natin guys para magets ninyo. Your BDO credit card payment typically reflects within 1 to 3 banking days. So, kailangan nyo mag-antay guys muna. Halimbawa, kakabayad mo lang, tapos chinek mo kaagad. So, most probably wala pa yun. Kailangan nyo muna mag-antay ng certain period of time which is yung 1 to 3 banking days. So, ngayon kung wala talaga, yun na yung dapat mag-panic kayo. As you can see, though processing times depends on when and how you paid. Kasi mamaya, sa ibang third-party channels kayo nagbayad, hindi mismo sa BDO online banking, so mas matagal yung reflection or mas matagal mag-reflect yung payment na yon. So ito guys, quick reminder lang about credit card payment, no? So just make sure lang guys na tama yung card number kung saan yun yung binabayaran ninyo. At saka yung iba pang details. Kung gumagamit kayo ng ibang payment channels like GCash, Maya, or ibang bangko man yan, BPI, East West Metrobank, hindi sa BDO online banking. So make sure lang guys na tama yung details, yung card number at saka yung name ng card holder kasi hinahanap yan. How to verify? So ngayon, paano nga ba i-verify yung payment ninyo kapag nagbayad na kayo? Check the reference or email. Look for the in-app confirmation screen, an email receipt, or a confirmation SMS that the transaction was successfully completed. So, kailangan nyo malaman guys na kapag if ever na nagbayad kayo, so may mag-display doon na confirmation message which is sinasabi na you have successfully paid your BDO credit card bill or yung utang ninyo. So, you have to keep that reference number. If it's due date or if it's your due date, if your payment was completed before 5 p.m. on your due date, it is generally still considered on time, even if it takes extra few days to reflect. So, kapag nagbayad kayo guys, like for example, yung due date nyo is June 16. So, nakapagbayad kayo guys, hindi pa nag 5 p.m. So, hindi pa late payment yun kasi as you can see naman, may late yung reflection ng pagbayad ninyo. Hindi agad nag-reflect. So, before 5 p.m., nakapagbayad kayo, like for example, June 16 yung due date ninyo, nakabayad kayo hindi pa nag 5 p.m. So, hindi pa kayo magkakaroon ng penalty. It's because on time pa rin yun sa system nila. Beyond 5 p.m., yun yung medyo magkakaproblema kayo. Magkakaroon talaga kayo ng late payment fees. It's because beyond time threshold na. Kumbaga, yun yung cut-off, yung 5 p.m. sa araw na yun. Kasi ganun yung cut-off time, which is 5 p.m. Third-party channels. If you paid via another bank or a third-party like application like GCash, it generally takes 2 to 3 banking days for the payment to clear and pause your account or pause to your account. So, hindi po agad-agad nag-reflect guys. Unlike sa video online banking kayo nagbayad, 1 day lang guys based on my experience. 24 hours lang, or like, what I mean is, like for example, nagbayad kayo ng umaga. So, kinagabihan guys, 10 p.m. nag-reflect na kaagad siya. So, kapag GCash or Maya or ibang bangko, most probably is nasa 2 to 3 banking days siya. System maintenance or holds. The system may experience periodic batch processing or maintenance that temporarily delays updates to your available limit. So, minsan kasi guys, kapag under maintenance yung video, online banking or yung payment processing system, so nagkakaroon talaga ng delays yan. But rest assured or huwag kayo mag-alala kasi sure naman na magpo-posting or magiging posted naman yung payment ninyo sa video credit card ninyo. Why it's not yet credited? So, ano nga ba yung dahilan bakit hindi pa ito pumapasok? Ito yung mga possible reasons. Cut-off times, as I have just mentioned earlier. Payments made through the Video Online or Video Pay application before daily cut-off, which is usually yung 10 p.m. This is true guys, based on my experience. Kapag nagbayad ako ng video credit card ko, hindi pa umabot ng 10 p.m. Nag-reflect agad yan after 10 p.m. o kinabukasan. Pero kung lagpas 10 p.m., cut-off time na yun using your video online, isa-isahin ko guys ha, gamit yung video online mo, kapag nagbayad ka, hindi pa umabot ng 10 p.m., kinabukasan, posted agad yan. Pero kung lumagpas na ng 10 p.m., hindi na posted agad yan. Bali, on the next day pa yan. Like for example, 11 kayo nagbayad, so kinabukasan wala pa yan. On the next day pa yan mag-reflect. Payments made after 10 p.m. on weekends or on holidays processed on the next banking day. So, tulad ng sabi ko, sa makalawa na yan mag-reflect. So, ngayon, as you can see guys, if it has been more than 3 banking days and your balance hasn't updated, so kapag hindi talaga pumasok yung bayad ninyo guys, ano yung dapat nyong gawin? So, ito yung dapat nyong gawin. Make sure lang guys na tama yung account number or yung card number at saka yung account name nung pagbayad ninyo para at least hindi kayo mapahiya kapag tumawag kayo sa video customer service. So, be aware din kayo dapat sa ganun, guys. It's best to report the issue so they can trace the payment. You can submit your payment details for verification through the Video Transaction and Service Inquiry page or call their 24/7 hotline, which is yung 632-48440 or yung 8888-0000. So, ito yung pinakamagandang dapat nyo gawin, guys, is tawagan nyo na lang mismo yung Video Customer Service to ask bakit hindi pa pumasok yung video credit card payment ninyo. Para at least malinawan kayo, mabigyan kayo ng rason, magkaroon kayo ng kasagutan sa mga katanungan ninyo. Kasi sila lang yung may access ng records ninyo guys. Kapag gusto nyo mag-follow up about your video credit card payment, so makikita nila lahat yan sa computer kapag tinawag ninyo yung account ninyo. Make sure lang guys na dapat aware kayo na kapag tumawag kayo sa official hotline number ni BDO lang. Kasi delikado yun kapag ibang number yung natawagan ninyo, di ba? Ito guys, nais ko lang malaman ninyo since this is about credit card na when it comes to giving details, wag na wag yung ibibigay or do not ever share your OTP or yung one-time PIN. At the same time, yung BDO credit card number, yung BDO credit card expiry date, or yung BDO CVV or yung security code. Do not ever share it with anyone. Please keep it to yourself because that details are highly confidential. So, it should be in private talaga. Wag na wag mong sinishare kahit kanino. Sana naintindihan niyo yun guys at nalinaw ko yun sa inyo. So, I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!